Hello guys, welcome to another new series of Seben 1415. All right, 1415. So this is 1 1 1 4 1 5. All right, guys. So I'm going to. This is our first volume of 1415. So I'm going to start with the right hand. Remember, we are playing the key of C sharp. Okay. So that's basically what I was playing. Alright, so this is, remember, most of these melody lines are on the chords. Alright, this is C sharp major, first inversion and second inversion. So 5 1 1 1 5 1 1 1 3 5 1 1 1 3 2 1 1 1 6 1 1 1 3 2 1 6 1 6 1 5 1 3 3 3 2 1 3 2 2 3. So when you do that, you do it continuously. All right, I'll take it slowly. 1 5 6 3 2 1 5 3 2 2 2 7. All right, guys. So that's all about the right hand. It's a very quick tutorial, and now you go to the left. The left is very simple as well. So I was playing something like this. I was playing something like. You can play this one. This is C sharp inversion. So it's 5 2 1 1 3 5 1 1 3 4 4 4 4 4 4 2 4 4 4 4 4 5 1 1 you get 5 1 1 3, or 5 1 1 3, or you just make 5 5, or you just make 5 5 1 5 1 5 5 5 5 1 1 4 4 5 1 1 5 5, or you 5 5 1 1 1 1 3 4 4 4 5 5 1 5 1 4 5 2. So it's a 5 5 5 5 5 5 2 5 5 2 5 5 2 5 4 5 1 1 5 5 1 3 5 2 5 5 2. Or you it depends on you guys. So that's all about the tutorial, and please do wait to subscribe to my channel, and God bless you. All right, guys, I'm going to take it slowly so that you say it. All right, so. All right, guys, please do it to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.